Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to side load books on your Kindle. Now, I have a Kindle Paperwhite, no idea what generation, maybe 7? I don't know. It goes way back. I actually got this free through my workplace as an anniversary gift. So, and I really like it. I love it. The problem I had in the beginning was I did not know how to properly sideload books. I would have PDFs, all these other things that I wanted to read that I download from the internet, and I never really knew how to get those readable on the Kindle because when I'd scroll through, the formatting would be all messed up. You'd have to zoom and then you'd have to scroll back and forth. It was a mess. But I finally figured out what I need to do to make that work. And first thing first, you're going to want to download this software, Calibra, Calibre, and here, I'll just drag this over so you can see it real quick. And here, it's pretty much available on any OS you're running. I'm running Linux Mint. Check the playlist about how I switched from Mac to Linux. All that good stuff. But you can download this for Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever you want. And I highly recommend it. It's open source. It's free. It's amazing software. It really is. Say you download a book, and I don't want to go over where you download your books from. That's not the point of this. And you basically just click it from your downloads directory and you drag it into here. And you will see, books in here. And I've got just a random smattering, right, of books. I also have my Kindle. I don't know, you probably can't see that. It's too bright. Plugged in to my PC. So let's say, okay, well, first, you could see when you plug your Kindle in and Calibre is open, you'll see on device. So none of these books are on my device. So let's say I wanted to put this Complete Idiot's Guide to Playing Guitar on my book. All I have to do is click that once to highlight it, right-click it, and then I want to send it to the device. And I want to send to main memory, but let's say this is a PDF. I want to send a specific format, right? Because the format on the Kindle is like the Mobi or the new one, the the Amazon looking file format. That's what the Kindle understands. So enable for you to resize your book into a format that fits the Kindle screen. You need that format. So I always choose send to specific format and then send to main memory. Then what that's going to do is that going to give you a list of formats to choose from. And I always choose Mobi for mine. AZW3, that's the other one. But I always choose Mobi for mine. And then I click OK. That does a transfer job down here at the bottom of the screen. So really, that's kind of the workflow of using this software to side load books. Now, let me step back. And what is side loading? It's a book you download yourself from the internet. You don't buy it from the Amazon store and it shows up on your Kindle. This is a book, say you're into technical things, into information technology, and you find PDFs that you want to read from vendors and such that you need to understand the product inside and out. You can download those because they usually have them available on PDF on their website. Drag them into Calibre, and then convert those to Mobi, and that's called a side load when you send it to your device from this software. So that's what side loading is. It is basically just taking these different formats that aren't, I'll call, directly supported by Kindle. They're supported, you can put them on there, but they don't really work that well. And then being able to read them like you would read a book that you download from Amazon. So this is really powerful in opening up your Kindle to be outside the Amazon ecosystem, I'll call it. Many people like to get away from the Amazon ecosystem because of some things like this. I'm not ready to get away from it yet since my Kindle still works great and it was free. So I just found this little workaround that I do to try to get books down on my Kindle and actually readable. So I've read so many books on this thing, so many books that I've been able to download. I can't remember the last time I bought a book from Amazon, because normally it's not that kind of stuff that I'm reading. I'm a different kind of reader, I guess. So anyway, like if you look back behind me in this mess, I have millions of books. Okay, maybe not millions, many books on there that I have found. Just I've already bought them. I went and found the electronic version and put them on my Kindle. Some of those that I like to go read over and over, that I reference well. And maybe I'll do another video on the desktop cam on how I highlight in my Kindle, and then go back and kind of reread that section over and over for books that I want to really get more out of that I've already read. Okay, switching gears real quick to the software. You can make your own tags also on here to organize your books within Calibra, Calibre, however you say it. That's another good thing to do. I like to set my own tags on these books, because some of these will say unknown or whatever, and I'll go in and I'll figure out what category they belong in. That way I could find books faster and easier on here. And another thing, you can directly read from this software. I think this might be an HTML format. I can't. No, sorry, it's a PDF. But you can directly read right here in the software. So if you had this on your laptop, you didn't have your Kindle or whatever, you could read it on your laptop. You could read it on your desktop. You could read it anywhere. Now, there are ways to keep multiple libraries in sync. I'm not going to go over that today. That's a little bit advanced. But I just want to cover the kind of side loading that is available for you to get books outside the Amazon ecosystem on your Kindle. Now, in the future, will I stick with Kindle? I don't know. I kind of like the Kobo reader, I'll be honest with you. I would like a device that I can read and write on. I'm not sure we'll get there. I mean, I like Amazon's cloud format and all that, but I don't like they're probably going to go a subscription model, and I don't like that. So I'd rather have a more open reader. And if you know one of those, leave them below. I am kind of not up to date on e-readers. I know the Kindle and the Kobo, and that's about it. I would pretty much like a reader/notebook device that I could write my notes in and have access and have it open, so I could save it to whatever cloud I wanted, or to an SD card, or do my own backups on my own system, which I do here on Linux all the time. I have videos on that, right? So I would rather be in control of that. I don't want somebody to lock me into their system and take my notes. Anyway, rant over. Check this out, guys. Go download this software. Just play with it. Leave a comment below. Tell me what I missed, because I've been doing this for a while, so it's pretty easy for me. Maybe I ran over something, missed something, went too fast. Leave a comment. Let me know. I want to get this out there to you guys, because I think this is powerful. This is good. This solves the problem of lock-in for the moment, right? And that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.